It's not easy to make a lot of money with ClickBank, especially if you don't have any experience. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that will have you on your way to making money with ClickBank in no time. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Find the right niche. Finding the right niche will help you to focus your efforts and produce more effective results. There are many ways to find niches, including online research, social media groups, and forums. Once you have found a niche that interests you, it's time to start looking for products to promote. 2. Determine your product's competition. When you find a niche, make sure to do your research and determine how much competition there is. This will help you to determine how difficult it will be to sell your product and time and effort to do so. 3. Create a high-converting landing page. You need a high-converting landing page in order to successfully promote your product. The faster you can convince someone to purchase, the better chance you have of making a sale. Your landing page should be designed for maximum conversions, and the content should be tailored to your target audience. 4. Drive traffic back to your offer. In order to make money with ClickBank, you need traffic. There are a lot of different ways to get targeted and free traffic to your offer, including email lists, social media groups, forums, and PPC ads. No matter which method you choose, just make sure it's an offer they can't refuse. 5. Invest in your product. Obviously, you won't make money if your product isn't up to par. It's always best to try the product out yourself. It will be easier to promote a product you believe in. Otherwise, you'll have a hard time selling it. ClickBank is a great way to make money online, and there are many different ways to do this. However, before you dive in with both feet, it's important to learn the basics. In this video, we explored 5 tips for making money online with ClickBank. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.